As one family, bow our heads in prayer and seek the blessings of the Almighty so that He will be with us throughout this day. From the Bhagavad Gita, chapter 22 says, through your selfless service, and you will find fulfillment on your desire.
We are here protesting, opposing the MEG, but actually we are not opposing everything which is there in the MEG. But we are here, the specific concern we raise here is on the continuity for deficit teachers. As it is stated that the existing teachers will not be affected, but after the retirement, the post will be transferred under MEG. So we're here today to show our concern, to ask from the government to give us the clear guidelines and to be transparent in what it is written in the discussion paper.
Regarding today's rally is that on 14th June we have the State Executive Committee that the government has implemented. The number one is regarding that reducing the age of the deficit school system from 60 to 58, and we have demanded one, and the government has already withdrawn that one. The deficit schools teachers will be enjoy all these facilities as deficit school teachers till they are in service. At the time when they retired, that post and that sanction will be come to the MEG. But we don't know. Only MEG, we know the full form of Meghalaya Education Grant, but we don't know what are the rules, procedure, the guideline is there. But we are against this MEG on that point. We will demand till we will get the DA as the government employee also in the past. We will not stop. We are going to demand. And today, you see, on 18 we hold the rally district-wise. 18 in Janti Hills, 20 Garo Hills, and here 22nd. But if the education department keeps silent on this matter, we have to hold the state level agitation.
We will lend our support to the genuine demands of the primary school teachers that are there. They are assembled. This program that is initiated by the proposal of the government to implement this MEG, though it's just a proposal, they have been trying to implement in a very surreptitious manner, in a piecemeal manner, by different ways, whereby they have not been able to do. I mean, harming the interests of the college teachers. Teaching association. Education in Meghalaya will be at dire straits if this MEG is being implemented.